Boom. Woo, good morning. Good morning to you. Coach Michael Burt's Thursday. I'm out at the lodge this morning. Just finished a good workout at Rockbox. I like to come to you almost every day. I know definitely Tuesday and Thursday. I do a rhythm. Life happens in a rhythm. Your heart beats in a rhythm. I always like to say when you get out of rhythm is when things don't go well for you. So I want to wish you a good morning. And I want to talk a little bit today about how to peak up. Because I've got this big event today, this Purpose to Profit. It's over 500 people registered for this event. And it really opened my eyes to a new way to generate interest, a new way to bring people into the cycle, a new way, Jcash, to generate 500 people of interest and buzz and excitement and energy. And man, in the world today, man, that's what people need. They need energy. They need excitement. They need something to look forward to, right? They need purpose. What's up, Derek Fossey? They need progress. They need mastery. They need, right? So I decided to do this virtual event, and man, it's turned out to be an incredible event. I didn't know that the concept of Purpose to Profit would be such a big concept. What's up, David? But it is. So many people are looking to find that which they are supposed to be doing, what they think will bring life and fulfillment and energy to them. And then how do you ultimately, at the end of the day, Jeff Wright, turn that into profit? That's right. I will be in Detroit, Michigan, May 4th. So that's really what we're going to be talking about today. But I've been thinking about this because this has been such a big deal. Months and months of preparation. I've been studying and practicing. And yesterday was devoted to nothing but me practicing. So I was walking out on the property, working through the content. How do I connect at a higher frequency? The energy, the build up, the emails, the push. And the question I have for you is, do you know how to peak up? Do you know how to peak up when you need to peak up? Because the reason we go to watch an athlete catch a football is because, Kathy, the level they can get to for that concentrated time period, the magical moments that happen. The reason we go pay money to watch an artist or entertainer sing is because they know how to peak up. And so many people never learned how to do this. They never learned how to create a buzz and an energy and an excitement. Some of you have a concept, but you don't have marketing, and you don't have the prey drive, or you don't have the remarkable boldness, or you're just missing something. So life is like this right here. Every now and then there's a peak up, but for most people, life is like this. Nothing exciting, nothing interesting, nothing going. Folks, the reason I love doing stuff like this is it forces me to be in the game, forces me to get better, forces me to learn, forces me to grow. And so I love putting things. So you say, what's the strategy here, Coach? The strategy is put things in the future that force you to peak up, force you to think. I'm speaking in a few weeks in Phoenix, Arizona to 3,000 people, right? So I'm in a period of trimming down some to get ready to be on stage. That gives me a reason, right? That gives me a reason to do these things. The big virtual summit that I'm doing today, the big events that I have coming up with the hunting club. See, all of these things is just a strategy I use to put things on the schedule in the future that force me to play up versus play down. Okay? And so just like an athlete peaks up, an artist peaks up, an entertainer peaks up, it's not like this, Michael Schaefer. It's literally like boom, preparation, boom. And in that big spike is what I call that big lick, man. In those big licks is when big things happen. And so what I'm trying to do is teach people how to do that, man. So today and tomorrow is all about purpose into profit, purpose into monetization, purpose into packaging, purpose into distribution, purpose into solving a problem, right? It's kind of the best of person of interest and the best of monster growth and the best of all of the stuff together. But it's really trying to get you to buckle down and focus on how do you find, package, purpose, market and distribute, and ultimately make a bunch of money, man. So you can help other people and do whatever you want. So that's the purpose of this 2-day event. But it's opened my eyes to a new model of selling, a new model of pre-populating interest, a new model of buzz and energy. Like it could be the way of the future. So I will probably do these virtual summits, maybe one every other month. I'll be partnering with people to do these because to me, it brings forth a lot of energy in a concentrated time period. And then people can get excited and they can do something, right? So I want you to watch what we're doing today. Some of you that watch me that want to coach, Cynthia, I want to do this. A big part of the learning cycle with me is just watching me try things and do things and see what works and what doesn't. I don't think you sit and find your purpose. I think your purpose finds you when you get up and take an action toward a curiosity. I'm interested in this. I'd like to know more about it. I'd like to ultimately figure out how we could do it. Like I think that's when your purpose finds you. And when your purpose finds you, then it's like, all right, how do I monetize this? Because I love this. I enjoy this. What's up, Brian White? I enjoy this. This is good. I'm helping people. There's an internal profit. There's an external profit. So I believe speaking, coaching, leading, podcasts, webinars, anything you can do to be in front of people, because you don't need more money, you need more people, right? It's just a strategy to get in front of people. So whatever you're doing out there, right? Whatever you're doing out there, this is the time to take it to the next level, right, James? This is the time to buckle down, Pastor Ken. This is the time to bring a message to the market. This is the time to do all of these things. So if you're out there, Purpose to Profit is today and tomorrow. It's going to be a great event. 500 people register for that. Next week, I'm doing the Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing, Speaking, Coaching, and Writing, where I teach people all of the methods, all of the cycles, the sales cycle, the marketing, the packaging, the lead generation, the follow-up, the conversion, the coaching programs, the boot camps. Like I teach everything, right? That's coming up next week. So I think we got 27 to 28 solid people coming in to the lodge here to do that. I mean, it's going to be a great experience. What's up, Greg? So if you're out there and you're saying, man, I'm hungry. I want to be fed. I want to get in a room with you, Coach Burt. I want to come to something. I want to be involved in something. I want to be around that energy, that person of interest energy that you're trying to put out, right? Like what I want to do, man, is here's what that magic happens when you get in the room, man, either virtually with me or online. I can't help you till you commit. I was talking to a guy yesterday. It's back and forth, and I want to do it, and I got to think about it and all this, man. I can't help you until you commit to something, right? Like these next 2 days with these folks is great exposure. But even Maxwell said it best, man. If I want to get inspired, I go to an event. If I want to change my life, I go to a program. I get involved in something. So today's going to be a great day. I want to encourage you guys. Watch what I do. Think about your version, Kirk, of how you could do it. Think about your version of how you can create these things. Think about anything you can do to generate buzz, hype, energy, excitement. And then get people there and then deliver and over-deliver for them, man. Actually practice, work the muscle, be prepared, be ready to go. Over-deliver for people, right? And when you over-deliver for people, they'll come back and over-deliver for you. So, Coach Burt, I believe everybody needs a coach in life, man. Big day today, Purpose to Profit today. Tomorrow, right? And then next week, Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. If you get into March, I got Monster Growth and Fanatical Follow-Up, man. I got Monster Growth and Fanatical Follow-Up. If you're trying to get better at follow-up and conversion, if you're trying to get better generation of leads, which everybody should be, boom, these are for you. So, CoachBurt.com, events, get in the room with me, man. You guys have a great day. Love you.